Hello and thanks for watching this Cloud 9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a new feature in Acumatica 2022 R2 that allows you to have tooltips for every field in the software. So right now we're looking at an invoice, and it's a closed invoice. It's all grayed out because it's posted and there's really no changes we can make to it. But if we were to create a new one, for example, and we really didn't know what, for example, the type field means, we hover over it. Acumatica now gives you the ability to see the document type and what it is. And if we click More, Acumatica gives you a quick help pop-up to show you what these different types are. Of course, the More button's there because you can't list all of this in a tooltip. You won't see most of the screen if you do that. But you have that ability to look it up. And if we go back and we look at, for example, status, you can see the same. Click on More. It makes the help easily accessible for these fields. If we go to customer order, you can see again the original reference number or ID assigned by the customer to the customer document for informational purposes. All of these tooltips are designed to give you quick help so that you know how to use those fields and how their values can influence the behavior of Acumatica later down the line. So additionally, you'll notice there's a gear button here. So if you click on it, Acumatica does have a quick setting for this. So this setting is hover over to show. But if you don't like that and you find that the tooltips are getting in the way, as your mouse seems to hover over them, you can also change to Control-Alt-Click to show. So that's it. That's tooltips now added to Acumatica 2022 R2. If you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this feature or if you like the video, please click the like button. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.